If you've ever tried to record or stream your screen in OBS Studio and ended up with that annoying yellow border around your display capture, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove that yellow border step by step so your recordings look clean and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know 2 reliable methods to fix this issue and get your screen looking just the way you want. Let's dive straight in. The first method involves tweaking your capture method inside OBS Studio itself. Start by looking for the Sources box in OBS. This is the area where you add or manage things that OBS is capturing, like your display, webcam, or game window. Right-click on the display source you're capturing. It's usually named something like Display Capture or Screen Capture. A little menu will pop up. Select Properties. This opens a window with various options for how OBS grabs your screen. Now, here's the important part. Find the drop-down labeled Capture Method. It might say automatic or default to something else, but what you want is DXGI desktop duplication. Why this setting? Well, DXGI desktop duplication is a more direct way for OBS to capture your screen without tapping into Windows graphics processes that often trigger the yellow border. When you switch to this mode and click OK, OBS changes how it talks to your graphics card, removing the overlay effect that causes the border. It's usually instant, although give OBS a moment to update if it doesn't vanish right away. If you see your screen refresh and the border's gone, congrats, you're all set. But sometimes you might notice the yellow border sticks around. Or worse, you get a black screen instead of your display. This is especially common if you're using Windows 11 or certain graphics cards. Don't worry, there's a second method that goes deeper into your Windows graphics and privacy settings. So let's walk through those steps next. First, minimize OBS for a second and right-click anywhere on your desktop, that blank space on your computer background. From the menu that appears, select Display Settings. Now, scroll down until you spot Graphics. It's usually towards the bottom in Windows 11. Click on it. You'll see a list of apps that can use your system's graphics performance, but sometimes OBS Studio isn't listed. If that's the case, click the Browse button and go find OBS's installation file on your computer. It's usually called OBS64XE. Once you've added OBS Studio to the list, select it, then click Options. In this dialog, set OBS to use High Performance. This tells Windows to use your dedicated graphics capability, which helps OBS capture your screen without interference from privacy overlays that cause the yellow border, and may also resolve black screens. Click Save to confirm your choice. Now, just restart OBS Studio so it picks up these new settings. When OBS launches again, try starting your display capture. You should find the yellow border is finally gone and your screen displays exactly as you expect. Remember, sometimes these changes might take a few moments to kick in, so be patient when restarting OBS. And double-check that you've selected the right source and capture method. If you run into any glitches, just retrace your steps and make sure those settings stuck. And there you have it. A smooth, border-free display capture in OBS Studio. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button. And feel free to drop a comment below if you've got any questions or if you're still seeing issues. I'll be checking the comments and helping out if I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.